blood, whole life front I care. Yes, my people. Welcome to a bright and sunny, in between cloudy afternoon. You know, get some lunch, as you know. Got my little spot, you know, little Tokyo. Get some lunch in a Saturday afternoon, yeah. Because they don't know things set. Can't have the structure empty. The rest of them a time of whether you have to have food in the system. Just like how the car have to have gas. Yeah man. So life is a mission, people. You don't know what to do. Just continue to do the do. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. So look at Tokyo full of people outside. Continue to do the do. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. You know, young entrepreneur college student, link of our YouTube channel is in the comments section pin. And remember the cash app also in the comment section pin. Alright, so we are going inside and now go see what I go on. Inside full up my people. Now I go do no talking, just hold the video.
Hey.
General. Rice with hot and spicy. Rice won't come. Rice with the other walk one. Yeah, what over this one?
Chili.
I'm going to eat chop suey tomorrow, so I don't want to. Yeah, just give me straight wait in there. Sorry. Yeah, just give me straight spice. Please stir out that rice for me, please. I like it look lump up. A yellow rice that? Look like a black that, a yellow. I don't fry rice that. A yellow rice. No. Please, I'm asking you, don't to fool me with any sweet pepper. I don't like it. It rests on my stomach. Sweet pepper.
This cranberry water.
After weather special, you know?
It's sesame chicken.
Sweet pepper burn my stomach. Yeah man, that not bad. Yeah, but you know, you understand. You know, I get the extra to sieve out everything. Sweet and sour sauce over the rice, please. I wish that, no sir, what that then sir?
No chicken.
Yeah, give me the sweet chili over the rice.
Sesame chicken, what plus me make it? You have more?
My son come and the whole of them each up to the other gear and the place look like it's full. Then they come and cashier the whole of them each up in the cashier.
But the cashier was saying next.
The joke this. The whole of them each up in the serving area, other area. And then now the whole of them come and say frighten and look at Tokyo then there. Remember now, Tokyo woman so here and Asia here there. At Jamaica. I say people, I go in at the place and swear say the place full. Swear say the place full. One set of people like them coming from church. Look like 7-day Adventists. And me I tell you about 7 of them, you know. Just each up in the other area, you know. And then when the cashier time come, the whole of them got each up in the cashier area again. Me I say, come on, you need more than one or two person. One person just take the order, and then when you don't want help with the bag, you call somebody to come help you with the bag them. Jeez, you know people, them good at turn off from going to the place because you don't know enough people when them going to a certain place. If you go in a certain place and them look and see it full, them just turn back. You know what people, them good at make turn back this a while ago. But I mean, I tell them people are difficult. Well, my people, I'm on my way home back. As you see food up here, so. Now watch how the dashboard does, you know, remember the car under refurbishing. Through the rain, the body man did glaze out a little part, because when my car go get the spray man, he must show me some little flat areas I need to build up. But through the rain, come Thursday, I couldn't end up doing it. So the body man just called me when me about to come buy the food there. So I run go over there now, hope him can glaze it out. So come next week, the spray man also want the car to, you know, prime it out so the primer can go on, you know, dry properly while the filler itself are dry. So that is the aim now, to rush over to the body man to get him to glaze out them little spot where we want to lift up. Well, I don't know if they after him do that the spray man available after them only for water they will drop Thursday, Friday. But that is the aim. And you're going to have a few clips I want to show you people of something that take place in the Waterhouse area. Why may I tell you? Me know about that area there, you know, because you see that area there? May I tell you, when water heading down the main road what them call Penny Road that lead you back to Spanish Town Road, right in front of Seaview Garden there, you know. And when they take all the turn and go around White Lane and Ashoka Road and all them place there, you know, man. Me I tell you, know, people, the water no normal, you know. Yeah, man, the water no normal, man. I wash a man car, wash with me people. What me say? The man car wash wet. It's a little one man see the car I wash because you know rain and fall, most people not out. And make an alarm and say, yo, wait. And make an alarm. And some man run out and go catch a car down the road and a man take a little one stone and try to crash it and the water box the car. Hey, it's a drama. It's on one of the seat when time I show need this is a drama. Yeah, man. Then anyway, them end up get some manpower and them get the car on a control and end up must call the owner and help him get the car up in a, don't know for the yard where it come from or the yard where the man live or wire, them just push it in there so for safety for the time being. But I'm going to show them two videos there. Yeah, man. Penny Road, Waterhouse, White Lane, the whole of them places is a mess when rain fall. You can't cross it, you have to ask. No, who can cross it? Nobody can cross it. So, I'm going to just go to them two little video there, them two little clip there. Because as you see right now, the sky kind of blue, sun out. But we all know the power of the Almighty. We can see this look so now, and within a split seconds, it change. You understand? The power of the Almighty that. So just stay tuned for those few clips, you know? Yeah, man. I get those two clips late last night. Just as I post I upload the last video that I post this morning. This morning, yeah, I received those clips. So I just decided, okay, I'm going to put those clips in this video. Alright, so stay tuned for it. Yeah, I tell you, I want to tell you, my people, when I show you the video there with the water in the gully, I go up on the front, which is the main road, and it's like a man say turn back, you know, because if you notice the water come up on the road now because it now go through the gully, so it use the road, you know, to get out. So when me look, me realize my rim cover to a level and my car very low because the spring of my car, me cut them. So you know them low type of car there. Yeah, sport look car. I'll do an old car, my people, 31 year old. Next year is 32. Yeah, but when it's spray, I know any man run me down feet wanted to buy me, I gotta just sell it. I gotta miss it, but trust me. Yeah, man, I'm just say, you know what? I put my car up on the sidewalk. I'm gonna put my car up on the sidewalk. Cause probably that will reach a man, they probably move down the road and hear a man call me to and say, boy, oh, car and rush way. Because remember, you know, water move mountain, you know. So what it is to move a car. Yeah man, water move mountains. So what it is to move a car. Remember that the force of the water alone, the current of the water where I come, will push the car away and okay how much emergency you have up. So stay tuned for that video there. I don't know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. And mash road, mash up all the good road. See it? Looking at Migla road, there's some people. Yeah man, mash road, mash up in because guess what me now? Them run some sewage line. I don't know if you hear me talk about it while they in our video. They run some sewage line. And after them run the sewage line, them dig up the good road. We just fixed probably a few years ago where they do well want fix. Them not choose no other time to dig up the road, you know. Telephone company, water commission, not choose no other time to dig up road. More than when the road fix. When the road not fix, them not dig it up now. And when they fix, them dig it up. And when me always wonder, if you going to fix the road, I figure more or less, you know, you're not supposed to come together all of these places, like telephone company, ask them if they have any work to do or whatsoever before the road fix. Because although them never have no work to do until the road fix. You understand? So that simply means if them have work to do, what them can do is go ahead and do the work before the road fix. More than when you're going to fix the road, good road now, one level surface, then them come dig it up and then them patch back the surface. And then now, when now patch the surface, you know, the amount of material, what we do, one area, them take that amount of material there and do 2-3 area. And that's what happened out there, so. Them dig the wastewater pipe, they call it now, the sewage pipe line to each yard. And you see the material now where them use to patch back each one of them dig out there to each yard. Them split that material in 2 and patch 2 yards. So what happen now, after a period of time and the pressure take it, it a sink. And the sink where it a sink, it end up a crack and a open. And then now with this whole heap of rain, you know where the water go do, the water go just lift up everything. Because what? Lack of material. The material where them are use is not sufficient. And not until the government start hold these contractors. You understand? Not until the government start hold these contractors responsible. Before these contractors stop these type of fishy things and put poor people, taxpayers' money in them pocket for job what them don't do. Yes man, not until government start hold them responsible. Man start go to jail, man have to start fork up back millions more than when they charge for the contract. Then them now go stop, and by them time then them resist a boy, yes, the penalty. Them can't bother with the penalty. So them have to just do the job good and done. What the sense you go charge 50 million for do a work, and at the same time you charge 50 million. It's supposed to work out on paper. Say okay, 30 million is for overhead costs and XYZ. So the next 20 million is your profit. But yet still, when you charge 50 million and you do the work, the overhead costs, you work it out now after you get the work to 15 million. Robbery, scamming. And then you give taxpayer, what you call it now? The quality job where you give taxpayer for them money and that you give them. Anyway, my people, you're gonna reach your body man now, so just stay tuned for these videos, you know. Yeah, just stay tuned for these clippings that I get late last night after that last weather video. Alright my people, stay tuned.
This is river in the middle of Crossroad, right in front of Island Grill. Water start flood out Island Grill right now. Whole Island Grill flood out right now, look there. Water gone way past the door level. Look there, look on the vehicle in the middle road. Traffic jam right here in Crossroads. Right in front of Island Grill. Look at that. Look at that.
I know look about car. How are these? Beer that you want to ever go beer in a bleach and dental. But no sir. Give thanks reach a 3 mile, car shut off.
Where there's somebody in that middle?
Easy, squatty.
Watch it. New volley, see it there? See him there? We just talk about it, look there. No disrespect. We just talk about this. Caving power right away. Right as we attack, the caving power. See there? Just like a while as we have video caving.
Not an outfit.
Well, we are here at the McGregor Gully and it's flooding over and a car is stuck. Well, this is terrible. This is not good. No, sir. This is not good. The gully come over. This is not good at all. A car stuck into it in the water. This is not good at all. Oh my God. I don't mean to see him see it.
Masco, a man will lift on the lane and come park him in car on the lane and it washer gone down there. See it? One dangerous gully. See it there? The car wash gone way down so.